Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let me just introduce myself real quick. My name is Tony Trace and I document everything I do, my life, how I trade, and how I plan to improve. So there's a lot of value you guys could be getting from this channel. So guys, today is Tuesday. During London session, I'll check the chart and see if my setup is about to play out or if we are going to miss a trade or something like that. But let's just see. I'm watching AUD JPY and NZD USD. So let's just see how the day is going to play out. So guys, I just want to quickly show you guys the trade I was talking about. So this was my analysis for today on AUD JPY. And I sent in this trade into my Telegram group just because I love sending in some of my trades. So I sent in this one. Hopefully this one is a good one. This was the trade we took from last week, this particular trade to 3.8R. We won that trade. So this one is 4.5R. So let's just see how it goes. This is the setup, and yeah, maybe later in the video I'll do some in-depth on why I decided to pick from this zone, and if I plan to take any other trade. But I don't know how this one is going to play out, so let's just see how it's going to play out. But hopefully it's going to be a good one. This is how it look like on my MT5. Yeah, took the trade here on a small account, and this is how it look like. So let's just see how it plays out. So guys, this is the trade I took this morning, and we are in a little bit of profit. This trade I updated it in my Telegram as usual. I usually update on my things on my Telegram, so if you're interested, just join. It's something free, it's a community. You can even talk in the Telegram, so it's more like where forex traders just interact with each other. So it's very nice. So this is the trade, and it's looking pretty good. I think price is respecting that area I marked, and that's something really nice. So let's see how it goes. I'll update you how the trade is. Time is currently 7:32 in my time. So let's see how it goes. So guys, I got this from the store this evening when I was coming back from work. Yeah, I got this from the store, and I'll be unboxing it in my next video. So guys, please subscribe, join the family, and more video to come. And also I'm also going to be having improving my video quality because of this, you understand? So guys, a lot is going to be coming. So guys, just please subscribe and stay tuned.